Alright, so now let's move on to self-employed. The specific requirements na kailangan ng isang negosyante para makapag-apply ng isang home loan sa Pag-ibig. So first, ang kailangan ay yung Mayor's Permit and DTI Certificate ng buyer's business. So importante po na meron tayong Mayor's Permit and DTI Certificate. Nako, paano kung ang ating buyer ay nagtitinda ng isda na napaka-lucrative na business? I know some people na merong mga food stands or even a fish stand sa isang wet market ay nakakapag-net ng 30,000 up to 50,000 quite easily. So paano kung ang client natin ay ganun at wala silang Mayor's Permit and DTI Certificate? Unfortunately, hindi po sila magiging eligible para sa isang home loan sa Pag-ibig. As much as we know that these very noble businessmen can make money easily and can turn a profit easily also sa kanilang mga binibenta, unfortunately, hindi sila magiging eligible for a Pag-ibig home loan. The next thing na kailangan na isang ITR or income tax return for the previous year. So in some instances na bago lang yung business, pwede naman sila mag-provide ng quarterly ITR. However, yung chances para sa kanilang approval might be lower than someone who has been operating more than 1 year and hence can provide a full year's worth of ITR. Certificate of registration. This is very critical with our self-employed applicants or buyers. Number 3, kailangan po natin ng Audited Financial Statement or AFS. Now, as you can notice, ang Mayor's Permit or DTI Permit plus the AFS and plus the ITR, it all points towards our clients needing to have a legitimate or registered business to be eligible for a Pag-ibig home loan. These are 3 basic requirements of every properly registered business. So, before we qualify or ask Lynville kung pwede ba yung kanilang client, yung negosyo ng kanilang client, do check for these requirements right away para alam natin kaagad kung eligible ba talaga ang client natin or hindi. And also for buyers that are listening to this video, kung kayo po ay may isang business at wala po kayo ng AFS or wala kayong DTI permit, Mayor's Permit, or a tax return, unfortunately, automatically, you will not be eligible to apply as a self-employed applicant. So it will be really important for you to find another co-borrower who has a legitimate work or maybe even isang kapamilya na magiging principal borrower for the home loan application. Number 4, kailangan po natin ng tax receipt. So this is a tax receipt payment. Previously only with Land Bank ito, but I think UCPB is one of the other banks that are now accepting a tax receipt payment. Number 5, a credit investigation sheet. So this is a sheet or requirement that is provided by Lynville or required by Lynville. So this is not necessarily something that is required by Pag-ibig, but it is our own qualification kung legitimate ba yung business or hindi. So we need this to be filled out, and then a driver or a representative of Lynville will go ahead and investigate the business that is being applied under the self-employed applicant. Number 6, kailangan po natin ng picture ng ating business. So this must be clear. If we show them the goods na binibenta natin but not the actual stall, that will not be accepted. So we need a clear picture of the actual business of the person. Next requirement is the sketch of business location. So, kailangan lang po natin i-drawing kung saan ang papunta sa ating business. So, if in case mag-physical credit investigation ng Pag-ibig, makikita nila kagad yung location ng inyong business. Now, in terms of different kinds of self-employed applicants, there are also other types that weren't mentioned here. So there are agents and brokers, even insurance brokers, events facilitators, and events organizers. There are different requirements for these people. You may be eligible for a self-employed home loan application if you do have one of these businesses. So it is best for you to inquire with Pag-ibig first kung kayo ay eligible for a home loan. If you get the information from Pag-ibig na kayo nga ay eligible, we can actually double check this with Pag-ibig and accept your reservation if Pag-ibig gives us a written proof na talagang eligible kayo as a self-employed applicant for a pag-ibig home loan.